Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for another log flume. We're going to bring you on board point of view for the log flume. This one is Viking Voyager at Worlds of Fun here in Kansas City, Missouri. And we're going to bring you on board for all the theming and for the big splashdown at the end. We'll see how it compares to some of the other rides. If you're watching this one, you want to check out Snake River Falls and what's the other one? The American Plunge. Those are two of the top other. Yep. Does it push? It's a push.
Barely getting in.
Are you in?
Now I am.
You're in it?
I'm trying to see it. Please give me a hand. Please the boat at all times. Please do not rock the boat.
Okay. Don't rock the boat, Becky. Viking Voyager. Wow. That was all intense. You got a good line forming, Becky. Just up. Try to keep them up above here. Put your heels up here. Yeah, on that ledge. That way they're not in the ground. You know. That's the risk. The water coming in on the heels, so pick the feet up.
On the heel.
Yeah, pick your feet up when we go for the big splash. That's all I'm saying if you don't want your shoes wet. Okay. Off to the races, Becky. Oh boy, we could get wet right here. Not bad.
Yeah, right.
Not bad. Don't rock the boat, Becky. We are cruising. We already rammed into him once. Oh, this could be a splash right here. Could be a splash. Get ready. A little bit. Oh boy, hold on. Hold on, I don't know. We're going in. Oh! Good one. Oh! Oh, jeez. Lean to the right. Lean left. Woo! Lean left, Becky. Left. There you go. Okay, now we're in some smoother water. Wow, that was like a rough seas. Woo! Nice. I like the trees. It's nice and cool.
It is.
And it's actually pretty high up. Oh, lean left. Lean left. There we go. Oh, we're picking up steam. Okay. Here he comes. The big plunge. Oh, mercy. Keep your feet up for this. Okay. Here we go. Oh.
It got me.
Oh, it's salty.
It got me.
It's like salt water. Is this salt water? Wow, they went all out if they put salt water in this thing. We're gonna hit again. Hold on. Jeez. Jeez, full hit. I'm pretty wet. My shorts got a good dose. My legs are good and sopped. Oh. Yep. Thank you. Awesome ride. Woo!
Yeah, a little bit.
Yes, indeedy. Nice theming. Oh,
My pants.
let's see ya. Not too bad.
My sunglasses got it.
Yeah. All right. Viking Voyager, log flume, worlds of fun. What'd you think?
I liked it. It had some speed. Definitely like the part, you know, going through the woods back there. And then, of course, the drop is always fun for the log flume rides.
It's got great theming. I'm pretty sure it's saltwater. If not, it's very salty freshwater. And it's a little bit rough on the turns. You almost kind of need to lean a little bit when you go around so you're not just like bounce, bounce, bounce. But I'd like to see him extend it, maybe add a third lift hill to this would be really cool. It really does snake around nice though. It was fast. It looks like it's a long line. It's not too bad of a wait. Sun's out today, so we figured why not? It's open. So had a great time on the Viking Voyager. So thanks for joining us on this one. If you like this one, check out our other water ride playlist. There's a few other water rides out there that we enjoy that I think you'll enjoy too. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers out there, and we'll see you soon on the next video. Bye everybody.